Lang araw mga guys, it's another tutorial po how to make money on ads on Reels. Ayan po ang ituturo natin sa inyo. Ayan, ads on Reels. Ayan po. How to make money po. Ayan. Here's how you can become eligible or start earning money in ads on Reels on Facebook. So mga short video lang po sa ad on Reels ang gagawin na like 90 seconds to 3 seconds to 90 seconds. You must be invited to the program and have already imported to in-stream ads. And you must be on a new page or professional mode for profiles. Ayan po. You must pass and remain compliant with Facebook partner monetization policies, content monetization policy. You must be 18 years old. And you must reside in one of the following countries, territories, like ayan. Ayan yung mga country po na eligible. So, dapat po nandyan kayo sa country na yan para maging eligible kayo. So, ang gagawin natin, gagawa lang po tayo ng mga short videos like 3 seconds to 90 seconds. Ayan, sa ads on Reels. At hindi po tayo gagawa ng music na nandyan na sa Reels. So, dapat organic po.